Hi guys, Miss Nevin here. I teach pre-AP chemistry and I want to make sure that before you get to pre-AP chemistry next year that you know about a couple of things that need to be done over the summer. So first, hopefully you've already gotten the order form and you've brought your money in to order your lab notebook. This is something you're going to be using throughout the year, not only for labs but some other things that we do. Knowing how to write in a lab notebook is a skill that you'll take to college with you, so that's why we do that. If you haven't ordered your lab notebook, please do so. You can bring your money to your biology teacher, you can bring it to me. I'm in D118. All right, the next thing I want to talk to you about is your summer assignments. There are a couple of things I need for you to do over the summer to be prepared for school starting. And the first thing is to read this book. It's called The Radioactive Boy Scout. It's based on a true story. It's a really cool book, and we do talk about nuclear chemistry in the fall, so we'll be referencing this book when we get to that unit. The other thing you need to do is go to my webpage, and you'll find this tab right here, and it has your summer assignment in there, and that's going to include memorizing some things, watching some videos, just getting kind of prepared for the year to start, so that when we get to August we can jump in and we don't have to do all of those basic preliminary things. And the last thing I want to talk to you about is the science fair. I'm in charge of science fair, and I really hope you will consider doing a science fair project next year. This is Caitlin. Caitlin took her science fair project to the international fair, and you could do that too. So maybe over the summer you could start thinking about a project. And I know science fair, you usually think of, biology, chemistry, physics, but there are a ton of categories that you can do projects in. Biology, medicine, health science, environmental science, there's engineering projects, physics and astronomy, chemistry, biochemistry, behavioral science, which is psychology. That's what Caitlin's project was about. You could do robotics, you could do computer science, you could do animal science, plant science. There are a ton of categories that you can do science fair projects in. Don't feel like you're just limited to, the main sciences. If you're interested or if you have questions, come see me in D118. Think about it over the summer, and maybe if you can come up with a project when we start school and get going with science fair in September, you'll be ready to go. I hope you have a fantastic summer. Email me if you have questions, check my website, and we will be ready to go for pre-AP chemistry in the fall.